Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be working on the CNC71 E90 angle kit. It's brand new for the States, and we're going to be installing it on my 08 335. In this kit, we're going to have new lower control arms, new tie rods. We also have new ball joints, as well as heim joints, and then also our angle adapters to add to the outer side of the hub. Now with the CNC71 angle kit, it's very easy to install. You can do this on the ground, but we've decided to do it on a lift. We're going to have the wheel off, and then we're going to go through some of the arms that we're going to be removing and replacing with this new kit. So behind the hub, we're going to be replacing two of these arms for the forward and the middle control arm. We'll also be replacing the tie rod because we're going to have the hub sitting farther out for wider track width. First step, we're going to remove the sway bar, get that out of the way. That way we'll have more room to work out where our kit is going to sit. With the sway bar out of the way, now we're going to loosen the nuts that are going to be on the outer hub, and then we'll start removing the ball joints. That way we can start removing the arms and getting the new kit in. On the driver's side, you're going to notice a light level sensor. You're going to want to remove that lower ball joint. That way you're not going to rip it off. You can take this lower arm off. I just put that zip tie on last night. With the boot removed, we're going to take off our inner tie rod and replace it with our new one. Front control arm is going to be held in by an 18. We're going to remove it and get it out of the way. That way we can work on our middle arm here. Before removing the middle arm, we're going to support the hub. That way it's not going to swing and get in the way of removing this. We're going to remove our light level sensor. We're not going to be using it with this new kit. This is going to be the new CNC angle adapter. It's going to bolt on to our knuckle. It's also going to come with a two-piece conical bushing. The knuckle adapter is going to fit up onto our hub, and then the new conical piece is going to sit on top to create a flat surface for the nuts. With our stock arms out of the way and our knuckle adapter on, we're going to install the ball joint on the new lower control arm and adjust the heim joints. Our heim joints preset, we're going to go ahead and put this on the car. We're going to start with the front arm. This is a new kit, and with this there's no instructions, so we're kind of learning as we go. For this knuckle adapter, we're going to have to lower it so we can put our new ball joint in and lock it in place. Then we can bring the knuckle adapter back up onto the hub and tighten it down. With our ball joint in place, we're going to swing the hub back on and get our adapter back lined in place so we can install the Allen. With our new tie rod, we're going to reuse our stock boot and then end up putting this back into the steering rack and adding it to our knuckle adapter. With all the arms in place, we're going to tighten down the fasteners. We're going to start with the ball joints and then work our way around. Alright, as we tighten the last of these bolts, we're going to move to the other side and repeat the process. We'll get the car down on the ground, bring it to alignment tomorrow, and then we're going to see how much angle we've gained and maybe go ahead and play around.
My name is Alex. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at sales@drifthq.com or leave a comment below. Go ahead and like and subscribe as well, and we'll have more content to come out.